Hi, I'm Roland Leggat from Inside Australia, and in this session I want to talk to you about creating and managing prompts. So if you haven't started using Copilot already, I implore you to start using Copilot. You can start in your Edge browser, in the top left-hand corner, in your applications, but the prompt is the key, okay? And I'm going to show you how to write effective prompts for any Copilot in this hashtag Prompt Perfect session, where I will share with you the best practices and tips for getting the most out of your AI assistant. Copilot is a powerful tool that can help you to do various tasks such as writing emails, creating presentations, summarizing documents, searching, and so much more. But to get the best results, you need to know how to write a good prompt. And prompt engineering is something all of us are going to have to master this year. A prompt is the text you enter before hitting the tab key to activate Copilot. The prompt tells Copilot what kind of content you are looking for and provides some context and examples for AI to follow. The quality of a prompt can make a big difference in the quality of your output you get from Copilot. A good prompt should be clear, specific, and relevant to the task and audience. A bad prompt is vague, ambiguous, irrelevant, and can lead to poor or inappropriate output from Copilot. So, how can you write good prompts for any Copilot? Well, here are some general tips that you can apply to any task and any Copilot. Start with a clear goal. Before you write your prompt, think about what you want Copilot to do for you and what kind of content you need. For example, do you want Copilot to write an email, summarize a document, have bullet points? Do you want Copilot to be formal, informal, informative, creative? And what type of tone and style or format do you want? Provide some context. Give Copilot some background information or details about the relevant task or audience. So if you want Copilot to write an email, you could provide the name or role of the recipient, the purpose of the email, the main points you want to convey. If you want Copilot to create a presentation, you can provide the title, the topic of the presentation, the target audience, and the key message you want to deliver. Use examples. One of the best ways to guide Copilot is to provide some examples of the kind of content that you're looking for. Examples can help Copilot understand your expectations and preferences, and it can inspire Copilot to generate similar content. You can use examples from other sources or from your own sources, and you can tell Copilot what you don't want it to do. So if you want to write a formal email, you can provide an example of a formal email and then an example of an informal email that you do not want it to emulate. Next, be specific. The more specific you are with the prompt, the more likely you are to get the content that you're looking for. Avoid vague, general terms that have multiple interpretations or meanings. Instead, use precise, descriptive words that contain intent of your expectations. Instead of asking Copilot for a catchy slogan, you could ask Copilot to write a slogan for a new yoga retreat or a consciousness workshop. Use keywords. Keywords or phrases signal Copilot the kind of content you want and how you want it structured. Keywords can help Copilot generate content that is relevant, coherent, and consistent. So for example, if you want a list of bullet points, use bullet points in your prompt. Say, I would like bullet points. If you wanted to summarize a document, use the word summary or in a nutshell in your prompt. If you want Copilot to create a headline or a title for you, ask it in the prompt for a headline or a title. So there are some general tips around writing good prompts. Of course, different Copilots will react differently, but you can work on it, you can tweak it. Sometimes what I do is I ask Copilot to write this prompt as a better prompt. So to learn more about writing prompts for specific Copilots, check out blog posts, tutorials, or check out the Insight website. You can also use Copilot to do searching, and it's an efficient and effective way to do searching for anything on the internet. instead of getting a series of links, you simply get a summary of all of those websites together. So if I search for something around prompting, I may get 67,000 websites that have something around prompting. Alternatively, I could use Copilot to do the search, and it would aggregate together multiple different sources for me and give me citations of where it got that information from different websites and summarize the 67,000 sites for me into a single page. So I don't search anymore. I use AI to do my searching for me. Check out Copilot. Start using it in your Edge browser. You can use Chrome if you want, although there's more functionality in the Edge browser. All you need to do is go to copilot.microsoft.com and start today using AI to transform your life and your productivity. Thank you very much. Have fun out there with Copilot.